Class 6 Science. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter 10, that is the motion, force and pressure. And there is question answers. Let us start what will be your question. Now objects around us can be in a state of rest or motion. दो ही तरह से रह सकते हैं, अदरवाइज एक रेस्ट में होगा या मोशन में होगा. So motion can be straight line, circular, rotational, occasionally oscillatory and periodic or non-periodic. A straight line motion can be uniform or non-uniform. The distance traveled by a body or an object in unit time is called its speed. As a unit of speed is meter per second. The push or pull applied to anybody is called force. The speed of a body can be changed by the application of a force. Using force can change the shape and size of a body. The SI unit of force is Newton. Force can be classified into mechanical, gravitational, magnetic, electrostatic and frictional force. The force exerted on a unit area is called pressure. Fluid, liquid and gas also exert pressure. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Atmospheric pressure is measured using an ordinary barometer. A fluid exerts pressure in all directions. The pressure increases with depth. Now choose the correct alternative. So first one is a motion which repeats itself in a fixed interval of time is known as. So that is the periodic function, a periodic motion. Now come to the second. When a force is applied opposite to the direction of motion of a moving object, its speed is. So speed is decreases. Now the force of attraction between any two bodies is known as. That is the gravitational force. Fourth one, which force is possible for walking? That is the frictional force. Now at what level would a swimmer experience more pressure? That is on the lower surface of the liquid. Now matching the following. So first you can write here A and B, C, D and E. The first one is the force. The force is Newton. The unit of force is that is Newton. So you can write here 1. Now an electric pole. Electric pole का बताना है आपको. So that is the static object. ये जो है static object है. That means the E is correct. Now 3 pressure. Pressure is a Pascal. इसकी unit जो है Pascal होती है. So you can write here Pascal, A option. So you can write here A. No, so you can write here 1 or 3 number. You can write here number only. So that one is the pressure. That is the 3 number. Now come to the speed. Speed is 4. That is the meter per second. So you can write here 4. And a flying bird. So it is the body in motion. So you can write here 5. So matching the following ऐसे ही आपको करना है और easily है, हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आने की है. Now come to the fill-ups. Fill up the blanks with the appropriate words or phrases. So first one is the force is either push or pull. You can write here pull. Now second one is the Newton per meter square is the unit of pressure. You can write here pressure. Now third one is the earth pulls a body through from a height towards itself due to the force. That is the gravitational force. So you have to write gravitational force. Gravitational force. Now come to the fourth. So that is the frictional force. You can write here frictional force. Frictional force is responsible for wearing out of cycle tires. Now come to the second. 1 atmospheric pressure is how kilopascal? So that is the 1000 kilopascal. ये आपको लर्न करना है. पास्कल यूनिट जो है वो फोर्स की नहीं होती है, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर की होती है. ये प्रेशर की यूनिट. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट एंड मोशन? तो आंसर इज स्टेट ऑफ मोशन. इन स्टेट ऑफ मोशन देयर इज अ चेंज इन पोजिशन विथ टाइम. एग्जाम्पल है बर्ड्स और स्विमिंग फिश. स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट. In the state of rest, there is no change in position with time. So, example is a horse and electric pole. House है ये, horse नहीं बच्चों, horse नहीं, house तो चलेगा, house नहीं चलेगा. Now come to the second question. What kind of motion does a stone release from a catapult? So straight line motion. ये जो है straight line motion होगा. Now, what kind of motion does the wheel of a car in motion shows? So, straight line motion. The motion of needle of a clock is not a oscillatory, but it is periodic. Explain. The needle of a clock repeats its motion in a fixed interval of time, so it is a periodic motion, whereas an oscillatory motion, the time is not fixed. How much type of motion? So give one example of each. So motion are of the following type. First one is linear motion. In this motion, an object may move along a straight line or along a curved line. Example, a bullet fired from a rifle. Second है random motion. In this motion, an object does not move on a fixed path. The object keep on changing direction. So the motion of a fly. Circular motion. In this, the object moves along a circular path. For example, the earth moves around the sun. Oscillatory motion. In this motion, the object moves just like a swing. So, example is the motion of a swing. What is the SI unit of speed? So, the SI unit of speed is meter per second. Explain the differences between uniform and non-uniform motion. So, answer is here. If an object travels equal distance in an equal interval of time, it is called uniform motion. So that is motion of an aeroplane. If an object travels unequal distance in equal time interval, so it is called non-uniform motion. So that is motion of a car. A cyclist travels a distance of 100 meters in 10 seconds. So distance given है, डिस्टेंस कितनी है 100 मीटर. चलिए, और टाइम कितना है इसका, टाइम भी ले लीजिए. टाइम इज गिवन एज 10 सेकेंड. 10 सेकेंड. Another cyclist covers a distance of 300 meters. So you can write here distance. कितना है इधर 300 मीटर. और टाइम इसका कितना लग रहा है, टाइम इज 25 सेकेंड. विच साइकिलिस्ट हैज मोर स्पीड? तो पहले फर्स्ट साइकिलिस्ट की स्पीड निकाल दीजिए. स्पीड का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. तो डिस्टेंस अपॉन क्या है, टाइम. तो डिस्टेंस कितनी है 100 है और टाइम कितना है 10 आया, 0 कैंसिल विद 0. तो वी कैन से 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. एंड हियर स्पीड के लिए फॉर्मूला फिर से लगा दीजिए. स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. तो डिस्टेंस इज 300 एंड टाइम इज 25. तो 5 सेकेंड से कर दो, 5 5 जा एंड 5 6 जा एंड 1 0, 5 1 जा 5 एंड 5 2 जा. So it will be 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो क्या है Which cyclist has more speed? So second cyclist has more speed. So you can write here, second cyclist has more speed. देख लो यहाँ 12 है और यहाँ पे 10 है, तो ये ज्यादा है इसके पास. Now come to the second. If the speed of a train is 80 km per hour, so speed is given as 80 km per hour. Then find the distance covered by the train in 1 minute. So time is 1 minute given है. Time is equal to 1 minute. Okay. So now we can change into meter per second or meter per minute. So how can change meter per minute? मिनट को चेंज करना है आवर्स में, तो यू कैन चेंज आवर्स 1/60 आवर्स हो जाएगा ये. सो टाइम आपका कितना हो गया? 1/60 आवर्स हो गया, ये टाइम हो गया. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड द डिस्टेंस. सो डिस्टेंस is equal to speed into time. So speed is given as 80 km और time is given as 1/60 और ये आंसर जो है कहाँ में आएगा? किलोमीटर में आएगा. So you can divide 0 0 and 2 3 जा and 2 4 जा. So you can say 4/3 kilometers. So it is 1.333 kilometers. So that is your answer. What is the SI unit of force? So the SI unit of force is Newton. Always remember the SI unit of force is Newton. So what is the effect on the motion of a ball when a player in cricket hits it with a bat? So when a player in cricket hit it with a bat, then there is change in the direction of motion of the ball. Therefore, the direction of motion changes on applying the force. What happens to the speed of a moving train when brakes are applied? When brakes are applied on a moving train, its speed decreases as the force is applied in the direction opposed to the motion. What happens to the shape of a tube of cream when it is pressed? When the tube cream is pressed, its speed changes. Its shape is changes. Shape इसकी change हो जाएगी. Now come to the list 5 objects which change the shape when a force is applied on them. So first one answer is first rubber ball. Force लगाते ही change हो जाएगी इसकी shape. और molds of kneaded flour, now cream tube, now toothpaste tube, और next one is the balloon filled with air. इन सब की चेंज हो जाती है जैसे हम प्रेशर लगाते हैं. Now list any 5 examples of force. So force are as the following type. First one is the muscular force. The force exerted by the muscles is called muscular force. Example, human being exerts muscular force to do work. Magnetic force, the force exerted by the magnet is called magnetic force. Example, many toys work due to magnetic force. Third one, electrostatic force. The force exerted by electrostatic charges is called electrostatic force. Example, pieces of a paper being attracted by a ballpoint pen when rubbed. Gravitational force, that is the fourth number. The earth exerts force on bodies. This force is called gravitational force. Example, if a ball or a stone is released from some height, it falls down due to gravitational force. What are fluids? So the substances that flow are called fluids. Give 3 examples of electrostatic force. First one example, comb dry hair using a plastic comb and bring it near. Examples here, small pieces of paper. It will attract the pieces of a paper. Now, second, if a glass rod is whipped with a piece of a silk is brought near paper pieces, it attracts paper pieces. Now, third one, mustard grain left free on the plate. After rubbing them, they try to move away from each other, but try to remain to the plastic plates. Why does the tires of a cycle wears out? So, between the roughness of the ground and the tires of the cycle, a retarding force acts opposite to the motion of the cycle. This is known as force of friction. So, due to friction, the tires of the cycle worn out. What is the relation between the force and pressure? So, pressure is the force exerted by a limit area. The exerted force of the applied is given by pressure. What is the motion in a straight line? Give example. Motion in straight line is called straight line motion. Example is shoot of bullet, falling of a fruit. What is the SI unit of pressure? So, SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. What is the effect of increase in height on atmospheric pressure? So, as we go higher in the atmosphere, the amount of air goes on decreasing. So, due to which the atmospheric pressure decreases. This is the reason why people climbing higher mountain feels suffocated. Which instrument is used for measuring pressure? So, barometer is used for measuring pressure. Answer the following question. First one is the which kind of the force do the animal use during running? While running, the animals use frictional force. What is the speed of the hour needle of a wall clock? The speed of hour needle of a wall clock is 1 part per hour. Now, what kind of motion do the legs of a tailor show while he is weaving clothes on a machine? That is the frictional force. Shatabdi Express travels 135 km in 15 hours. Compute the speed of Shatabdi Express. Now, there is the distance. Distance is given as 1350 km. And time taken, you can write here, time is given as, that is the 15 hours. So, speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. So, distance is given as 1350 and time is 15. Now, cut it. 5 3 jam and here is 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 jam 35 and 1 0. So, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 9 ja 27 and 1 0. So, you can say it is 90 km per hour. So, that is your answer. So, you can write or you can do very well or very easy. Why do players and runners have स्पाइक्स ऑन द सोल ऑफ द शूज? जूत में जो खेले होते हैं, वो जो खेल में प्लेयर्स होते हैं, उनके जूतों में कील लगी हुई होती है. प्लेयर्स एंड रनर्स हैव स्पाइक्स ऑन द सोल ऑफ द शूज बिकॉज ऑफ विच अ फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स इज developed between the ground and their shoes, hence helping them to run easily. An air-filled balloon when rubbed against dry hair and got near the wall stick to the wall. Why? Answer: an air-filled balloon when rubbed against dry hair develop electrostatic force because of which when brought near the wall stick to the wall. While wearing or taking out clothes made of terylene during dry weather or body hair stands erect, Which force is responsible for this? Electrostatic force is responsible for this. Which force is utilized during chewing food? So during chewing food, frictional force is utilized. Why do drivers use a special type of suit? Since inside the sea, water exerts pressure. As we go deep inside the sea, the pressure exerted by water increases. This is the reason why divers uses a special kind of suit. Why is it difficult to cut fruits using a blunt knife? So the area of blunt knife is more than that of a sharp knife, since the effect of the force is less on the area. So therefore, it is difficult to cut using a blunt knife. Write 3 works which is impossible without friction. So works impossible without friction. Number 1, lighting matchstick. Now second, stopping vehicle with brake, and third one, writing. Give 2 examples where we increase friction. To increase friction, spikes are fixed in source of levers. Grooves are made in tires. Write 2 harmful effects of friction. So due to friction, components of machine gets worn out. Sole of a shoes get worn out. Write the 3 effects of force. First one is the force can change the speed of an object. Second, force can change the direction of the motion of an object. Third, force can change the shape and size of an object. What do you mean by speed? Write its standard unit. So the distance traveled by the object in unit time is called speed. So speed is equal to distance upon time taken. So the standard unit of speed is meter per second, or you can say m upon s, or meter per second. ये लिखने के ढंग है, आपको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं आप लोग. Now, why does the tires of a cycle have grooves? So the grooves of a tire produces friction between the road and the tire, because of which the cycle moves forward. How the frictional force can be used for us? Give the example. So without friction between pencil or pen on paper, writing and the drawing would not be possible. It would be impossible to cut wood without friction between the saw and wood. The brakes of a cycle and other vehicle would not work without friction between the rim and the brake shoes. The burning of a matchstick would not be possible without friction. Why blood comes out of nose of mountaineer? As we go higher in atmosphere, the atmospheric amount of air decreases, because of which atmosphere pressure decreases. This is the reason why people climbing high mountain feel suffocated and sometimes their nose start bleeding. Write true or false against the statement. Force can change speed and direction of motion but cannot change the shape. It is false statement. Now, a fruit falling from a tree is not an example of gravitational force. So that is also false. False है ये. Now, our life would have been more comfortable without friction. तो ये भी आपका false है. So the unit of speed is meter per second. ये आपका true है. Now barometer is used to measure pressure. ये बिल्कुल true है आपका. Now the motion repeated after regular interval of time is called non-periodic motion. So that is the false statement. तो आप लोग इसको कर लेंगे very easily. ये सब easy है. Now come to the next. Which type of motion is present in the following? A motion of the given object. So object है, name of object और type of motion यहाँ पे given है, circular है, rotational है. Now first one is tip of needle of watch. So that is a circular motion. Second है needle of watch. So that is a rotatory motion. Now third one is rotating fan. It is rotatory motion. Now fourth one, point present on the blade of rotating fan पर, ये circular motion होगा. Now potter's wheel, it is rotatory motion. Wheel of bull cart, it is circular motion. Earth moves around the sun, it is also rotatory motion. Rotating top, that is the rotatory motion. Child sitting on a revolving swing, it is circular motion. Motorbike, person running bike in circular case, that is the rotatory motion. तो ये आपका लेसन यहीं पर एंड हो रहा है बच्चों. नीचे लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और मेरे चैनल को लाइक करेंगे और कमेंट्स जरूर करेंगे जैसा भी आप लोगों को लग रहा हो, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके, और बेल आइकन को भी दबा लेंगे जिससे कि मैं नया वीडियो डालूं तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों को मिल सके. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.